Good morning, Bobcats.
How's everyone? I hope you're ready for a show-stopping broadcast this week about Club Rush, pumpkins, Legoland, and sports.
Let's roll the show.
Howdy, Bobcats. Before we get into our show, we want to invite you to our fundraiser next Tuesday, October 11th at Chick-fil-A on Marin Road from 4 to 7 p.m. Help us raise money so we can keep producing quality broadcasts and web stories for Sage Creek. Plus, it's Chick-fil-A. Thank you, Bobcats. Now back to the anchors.
Angela, what clubs are you planning to join?
I don't know. Let's check out the Club Rush.
As many may know, Club Rush was last week. Club Rush is a week where club members can advocate and get new students to join their clubs. Some of the most popular clubs last week were Croissant Club, Speech and Debate, and the Boys and Girls Club. There was a huge turnout all throughout the week, and clubs got tons of new members. There are many reasons why students may join clubs, from putting it on your college applications to meeting new people. Here's a student's perspective on why they join clubs.
I think it's important to join clubs because it establishes a sense of community with you and your peers, and it lets you learn about new stuff.
In addition, Club Rush in general is a really fun and exciting event for everyone. Here's an inside look on how Club Rush went from a volunteer.
Club Rush has gone amazing. I think this is a great event with all these clubs. I'm passionate about it, and I can feel the passion with all the kids here, all the high schoolers. I think it's an amazing event. Yeah, it's awesome.
Overall, Club Rush was a huge success. Students of all ages got to enjoy the unique and fun atmosphere the clubs brought to the school last week. This is Olivia Lee, Lola Carson, and Kerris Arnett reporting for The Sage.
Aren't you glad it's almost autumn?
Yeah, I'm happy for a pumpkin spice.
Not me, though. Let's check out what our Bobcats have to say.
What's up, Bobcats? I'm Isabella Bernabeo, and it is officially spooky season. Today, we'll be going around campus and asking some students some seasonal questions. All right, so what is your favorite Halloween candy?
Sour Patch Kids.
And why is that?
Because they're good.
Smarties, because I love them, how tiny they are, and they have kind of different flavors.
Snickers or the mixed berry Skittles.
Why?
The mixed berry Skittles just hit different.
Candy corn.
Okay, that's a good, you can leave now. Okay. What about pumpkin spice lattes? You guys like that Starbucks?
I don't even go to Starbucks, honestly.
Starbucks makes me want to puke.
No, they're gross.
Why?
They're just nasty. I don't like that.
I tried it last season and I did not enjoy it.
What was so unenjoyable?
The flavor.
All right, goodbye, sir. What do you plan to be this year? Halloween is on the same day each year. What day is it?
I don't know, 25th or something. October. Friday? I don't know. Wednesday? I have no clue, I'm going to be honest. I have no idea.
The 31st, my sir.
Oh, yeah, but
You're in a horror movie. Are you the first person to die, the final person, the smart one, the comedic relief, the skeptic, or the killer?
The one to run away and hide.
Why is that? Why would you do that?
I care about my life.
In all honesty, definitely the killer.
Why?
I don't see myself being in any other role.
Is Nightmare Before Christmas a Halloween movie or a Christmas movie?
It's both.
Yeah, I agree.
Both?
But
I default to Invisible Man, but I'm not sure.
All right, that's it for today, Bobcats. This has been Leah, Ertel, and Isabella Bernabeo reporting for The Sage. Let's send it back to the anchors.
Have you seen the newest Lego figure?
Yeah, it's head turning.
Anyways, have you noticed so many people work at Legoland?
Yeah, actually, let's check that out.
Chances are you've heard of Legoland, a theme park located right here in Carlsbad. It is one of the major employers in this area, attracting many students to get a job there.
For several years now, it seems like more than half the school is working at Legoland.
I think people work at Legoland just because of where it is in Carlsbad. It's able to allow so many people to work too, just because of the sheer size of it. And then as well, everyone's able to get to there. It's a super fun environment, and then just the variety there is huge.
Well, there's many different areas within Legoland that students can work, and they're probably one of the bigger employers in the area for your age group.
A variety of factors go into a student's choice to work at Legoland. This job can also allow students to have new experiences.
My name is Faye Glenn. At Legoland, I am a ride operator. My brother had gotten a job at Legoland, and he said they were still hiring and that it was a really cool opportunity, and I figured it would be fun to try because he was only here for a little bit during college, and after he left, I eventually just stuck with it because I had a lot of fun.
It's a place that we're all familiar with, so like working there is just like you can sometimes feel like a kid.
My favorite memory from working at Legoland is definitely just seeing little kids get on a carousel for the first time or get on any ride for the first time. Since I'm often on the little kid baby rides, it's definitely really cool to see them be at a theme park.
Well, it made me kind of get introduced to the real world a lot better than like school and other activities because it's like my first actual job. I think it's a good little summer job. It pays well, so you can get enough money in a short amount of time.
I would definitely recommend that other people work at Legoland because being a ride operator is really fun and it's awesome to see little kids' faces when they ride.
This has been Jacob Dougherty and Tomiris Gumar reporting for The Sage.
I wonder how our girls' tennis team is doing.
Yeah, I hope they're having a good start of the season.
Me too. Let's check out what our tennis players have to say about it.
Hello, this is Ava Manzano, and I'm here with
Kaylin, I'm a junior.
Melina Villegas, I'm a junior.
Eliana Lay, I'm also a junior.
So how do you think you've been doing this season?
I think our season's been pretty good. I personally started out kind of rocky, but it's going better now.
I think that our season is going good as well. We've all improved a lot, and so I'm really proud of us.
Yeah, I agree with that. Our season's been going pretty well. We've had some pretty good games so far.
How do you balance schoolwork with your sport?
What I try to do is I try to get all my schoolwork, or most of it, done in class, and so I don't have to do as much after school.
I also do that, and I don't really. I kind of just, I go to sport, I go home, and I work on my homework, so like scheduling, I guess.
Do you think that you've improved this year?
I think so, yeah. I think everyone on our team has been like getting better and everything.
Yeah, I agree with that.
I think so. We get some really good coaching tips from our coaches, so yeah, we've been improving over time.
All right.
This has been Leah Ertel, Julie Delicio, and Ava Manzano reporting for The Sage. Now back to the anchors.
Thanks, Ava.
Okay, I think that's it for this week's show.
Wait, what about the flag football that's going to happen this Friday?
Oh yeah, an assembly is going to happen on the same day.
Please come and join us, Bobcats.
Now that's it for today's show.
Also, please check out our medias and thesage.com for new articles.
This is Angela Huang
and Tomiris Gumar
reporting for The Sage.